Hello and welcome to tip number 5 in this 30 Photoshop tips course. Today we're going to look at how we can organize and arrange our layers using colors in the layers panel. So I'm just going to jump straight into Photoshop. I've created this document. It's just a blank document, can be any size. And we've got our layers panel open here. I'm just going to come over here. You can see I've duplicated the background layer multiple times just to give us a few layers. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to right click simply on a layer. And you're going to see towards the bottom you've got these colors. So if I select red, it's just going to mark this layer as red. If I come to here, mark this as orange, we're going to get orange. Now you can select multiple layers at one time and then right click and you're going to get blue, for example. Now this is a great way to arrange your layers. Say for example you want to have all your adjustment layers be orange, or you want to have all your retouching layers be red. It's good so you can quickly see what's happening in your document and quickly identify layers or layer types, which is mainly what I use them for, and I recommend you guys use them for. And you can simply highlight the layers that have color, right click and select no color to remove all color from the layers. So there we go, super simple, super easy, and an effective tip to help keep your layers organized. Thank you very much for joining me for this quick tip. I shall see you in the next one.